So I just got in my new window unit, put all the parts and pieces up here. And as you can see, this is the previous one. And the reason that I'm swapping it out is because the previous one was installed wrong. It's actually hanging inside of my shop and it rains in here. I didn't do this, previous owner did that. And so it's time to swap it out. So here's the new one. And this one actually has a heat pump. So it does cold and hot air. Also, it has I think a dehumidifier. So this is gonna be a great unit. I'm gonna install it and then do a little bit more on how it operates. Wasn't too bad getting it all installed. Followed the step-by-step instructions. I did want to highlight this. This was on the vent up here, and it says, unit is not intended as primary heat source. Heat mode will not operate outdoor temperatures below 41. So it's saying it's not supposed to be your primary heat source, but in my 20 by 20 shop, it never gets that cold, so this should be plenty enough. It almost looks to me like the design is like a smaller version of one of the units they have in like hotel rooms, just the way it looks on the top. But it is a very clean look. I did want to show that I did put foam right here because there was some little cracks, and I probably could have put it outside, but in this channel on the outside, like that's kind of drainage, so I'd just rather it on the inside. And since it's my shop and I got this window, it makes it easy to just cover it like that, and I'll never really see it. So also the corners right here had a little hole, so I put a little piece of foam right there to cover that up. That's just, you know, as far as install goes, that's the little things I did. Now it just has step by step. It's real simple. You just follow it according to your window and do all your safety brackets and mounting. As far as operation, let's see if I press, yeah, okay, so you could turn the LED on and off if you want right here with this LED button. And so you can see now it's on. It's not blinking, that's the camera. It's not blinking in real life. Oop, and I think I just turned it off. There you go. But here's all your controls here. It tells you if you need to change the filter, eco mode, auto. Is it in auto, cool, dry, fan? Let's see, we're gonna change the mode with the remote. And the remote comes with battery, so that's pretty cool. You don't have to worry about that. All right, now it's on cool. And just leave it on cool. We're gonna put it on 65. 64, yeah, 64. Remote's very simple. It's a little long, I think, but I like the fact that it has a big display. So I might have to figure out a way to maybe mount it right here or somewhere out of the way, because I don't want to just leave it on the ledge or put it on the top. So I just got to figure that out. It doesn't have a bracket, but I'm sure there'd be a way I could find maybe like a sticky bracket to mount it. As far as the filter goes, it's located in here. Just pull this right off. And it's like this, and I've had mini splits before, and this is kind of designed like a mini split where this window goes, the thermostat, and this type of filter. All you do is they have a little tab right here. You just pull it, pulls it right out, and you can get to your filter, take it off, and clean it. I'm probably going to do that once a month. That's my regular maintenance with my my other units that I got. So it snaps right back in. So I think it was fairly simple to install. Because I have this space, I did it myself. I put it in myself, but otherwise you would need possibly 2 people, just depending on strength. But I think this was easy install, great unit. It's definitely keeping everything nice and cool, and I look forward to using it more in the future.